Hello, my name is Russ Merrick, and I'd like to welcome you to the BCMC Trade Show this year in 2025. What we have for you is a profusion bridge behind us. One of the main questions we keep getting asked throughout this show is, what's your lead time on building equipment? Our standard lead time is about 6 to 8 weeks, and I've had customers say, how in the devil is that even possible? Okay, some of the reasons that's possible because we do everything in-house, and I mean everything. Steel comes in, whether it's coil steel, flat stock, cold finish steel, tubing. We cut it, we saw it, we weld it, we machine it. We laser cut everything. We have our own laser in-house. We do all this. Once it's done from there, it goes to paint shop, goes down to assembly. We do all the electrical. We do all the electrical wires and wiring diagrams ourselves in-house. Programming's done in-house. We set everything up. We put it all together. A lot of people in the industry, a lot of competitors in the industry, everything is assembly house. They farm everything out to other vendors, whether that's laser cutting, welding, painting, and so forth, and they bring it all in. A lot of times electrical panels are done by somebody else, programming is done. We do all that in-house at American Machine for all of our TRIAD and Ruvo products. So if you got any other questions on why we're fast, that's why. We're trying to control our own destiny. The other thing that we do is we carry a tremendous amount of inventory. That's my personal philosophy. I don't want anybody to hold me hostage. And you guys can't afford the downtime. I know what downtime is in an automated plant. If you can't get a product overnight or within 2 days, you better have it on your shelf, okay? Because the downtime is going to cost you. There's a risk there. So we carry the inventory so you don't have to, but you should also carry some inventory on your behalf. It's just a good insurance policy. We do this, we've done it for years, and I'm going to continue to do it because it makes sense to me, and it makes sense for our customers. If you got anything else we can help you with, you need automated equipment for the housing industry, whether it's wall panels, subcomponents, stuff for steel or pre-hung doors, please call the factory at 1-800-568-7423. Once again, my name is Russ, and I'd like to thank you for your time.